I am a professional idiot and a master fucker-upperer. Do not try this at home. God damn it! Fuck! Did you ever have one of those fucking days? One of those bad fucking hair days? God damn it! Do these fucking stress toys made to fucking relieve stress just fucking stress you out more? Fuck that shit. I got the answer for you. Like I said, I got the answer to those stress problems. It has nothing to do with this damn squeeze ball or this pink stink maker. It's all about the Sledge-O-Matic. Not only does it make fruit salad, but it's awesome stress reliever. Let's check it out. That's more fun than a barrel of monkeys. Not only do you get rid of all the wife's stupid vases that you hate so much, you're also gonna take your stress out. Whoa, that was a good one. That one fought back. That one deserves a second go. Like I said, that is more fun than a barrel of monkeys. Now that's good old fun. No stress ball has ever relieved stress like this. Ever. Ever. Balloons are fun too. Aww. Even these little balloons that you're always made fun of for. They're good, old-fashioned fun. Oops. My bad. Lay off the sugary sweets. Oh yeah. Energy drinks causes stress. Energy drinks, fucking soda and caffeine cause stress. Sledge-O-Matic, fucking stress reliever. Fuck yeah. That is the original cause of all that. I'm a pepper kid. Like I said on the last one, 4 easy payments, $49.99. I'll even come over to your house and we'll have some good old-fashioned fun. Peace.